Vaishali and I'm from Hyderabad. Basically, I'm a fashion designer, but I started this profession as a hobby. And I started with oil painting, and slowly I started Tanjore painting. So mostly I'm dealing in oil paintings. These are all my oil paintings, and these oil colors are used, and these are on canvases. And these are Tanjore paintings, and these Tanjore paintings are done with 22 karat gold. Gold sheets are used on this, and poster colors, we use poster colors. And first we draw the figures and all, then we do it with the muck work and all the cone work, then we use gold foils in it. Then after that we paint it. And for the large frames, at least we need 1 month for. I need 1 month for it, because like you have to do it very. It's a very fine detailed work, so you can't leave it like that. So we have to do it in a very professional manner. So it needs time. And for the small frames, maybe 15 to 20 days. All the full frame, I'll do it small one in 15 to 20 days, and the large frame with 1 month. Actually, most of the time, like these are traditional paintings. So mostly we have started with Krishna paintings. Mostly it is done in Krishna paintings only, but nowadays like it's on people demand. Some people, they want Balaji, if they want Sai Ram, yeah, any deity if they want, we can do it. Actually, this is my oil painting, and this is Pralay with Prakriti. Actually, this is a Shiva painting. It's a Tandav dance which Shiva make, and this is a oil painting. It is oil on canvas. So this is all one done with a very bright and vibrant colors, because this is a Tandav dance of Shiva. So it's like very fiercing and very, it's a pralay kind of thing. So this is my this thing. It took 15 to 20 days, 15 days at least, because this is a oil painting and it takes lot of time to dry. So first we need to wait the portion is dried, then again we have to start, otherwise it won't be done in a very professional manner. This is a lifelong painting. Nothing will be done, because this is oil on canvas. So whatever, like it is a lifelong painting. It won't need any maintenance also. You just have to wipe it with a cloth, and it's as new as ever. These are all my paintings. I'll available on Insta page, so you can follow me on Insta. And if I'm in Facebook also, so you can, yeah, please visit. Thank you.